Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Metamask transaction history step by step. First, we will open the Metamask wallet and locate the Activity tab. Then, we will explore individual transaction details within the wallet interface. Finally, we will learn how to use a block explorer for more in-depth information. This process is straightforward and helps you keep track of your digital asset movements with ease. To begin, simply click on the Metamask Fox icon in your browser's extension bar. Once the wallet opens, you will need to enter your password to unlock it. After unlocking, look for the Activity tab, usually positioned near the top of the wallet window. Clicking this tab will display a list of your recent transactions, providing a quick overview of your wallet's movements. When you see a transaction you want to examine, simply click on it within the Activity tab. This action will open a detailed view, showing you important information such as the transaction status, the amount of cryptocurrency involved, and the gas fees paid. You will also find a convenient button that says View on Block Explorer, which is incredibly useful for deeper analysis. Clicking View on Block Explorer will open a new browser tab, taking you to a public blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Here, you can find extensive details about your transaction, including its unique transaction hash, the block number it was included in, and its confirmation status. This tool offers a transparent and immutable record, giving you complete confidence in your transaction's journey on the blockchain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.